Go. Hop out of the bed, turn my swag on, take a look in the oven, say what's up. Oh wait, that doesn't even say that. Okay, let me.
Turn my oven on, take a look in the freezer.
Hop out of the bed, turn my oven on, take a look in the freezer, say what's up. Yeah, I'm eating chicken. Oh, I got a question why you hating on me. I got a question why you hating on me. 'Cause I eat chicken and you eat rice. Like this. Comment on this if you like this, please. So, how about out the bed, turn my chicken on. Take a look in the mirror, say what's up. Yeah, I'm cooking chicken. Oh, you know what? I ain't even gonna eat no chicken. I'ma just gonna roll up to the window, KFC. That's where all the black people get the chicken. Right? Am I right? Yeah, yeah. So, uh, uh, next time you want some chicken, just roll up to the window at KFC. Next time you want some chicken, if you want some hamburger stew, just go to Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh.